Hi civil engineering friends, I am अतुल निमदेवकर फ्रॉम स्थापत्य इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन ट्रेनिंग। जैसे कि आप जानते होंगे कि स्थापत्य इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन एक कंस्ट्रक्शन ट्रेनिंग इंस्टीट्यूट है। इट्स अ वेरी यूनिक कंस्ट्रक्शन ट्रेनिंग इंस्टीट्यूट विच वर्क्स फॉर द अपग्रेडेशन और अपलिफ्टमेंट और टू मेक very professional civil engineers in the market, and accordingly we are conducting various types of courses, specialized courses to become you specialized for it. And these courses will help you to get the job in the market, because you must have some special knowledge or standard system procedures to work for the employee. And once you get this knowledge or specific skills, then automatically your confidence will develop, and accordingly you will get the good job or proper job for that particular role. So that's why from on the 23rd of this month, it is on Tuesday, we are launching our very popular and most demanded course, that is billing estimation, BBS and QS on Excel. This course is very popular. This is the 10th batch we are now going to conduct, and in this course particularly all types of technically and practical knowledge you will get in this course. In billing, that is standard forms or formats of billing, then types of billings, then what are the considerations, what are the standard mode of measurements in quantity survey, and all these the required data for billing engineer or is quantity surveyor. It will be covered in this particular course. Not only that, you will be able to prepare BBS on Excel, which is very crucial thing, and very few pass out students you are able to get a good job on this work. So all these contents with practical problems also, you will be able to solve various practical problems in this course, and you will have an opportunity for a project, one residential building project, that you will complete it all thoroughly. So definitely your confidence will boost up, and there are a lot of opportunities for placement, because we are having various requirements through market, and definitely we will support you for placement or internship or as per your category. So this is a 1 month course. We have kept it as in mix mode, that is online as well as offline. In the sense, one course we divided in some sessions are offline, some sessions are online, and again some sessions are offline, so that we will have personal interaction. We could guess your personality, so accordingly we will guide you. We will make you help for making resume or how to face interview, like that. And so there are lot of opportunities and requirement in the market nowadays. So this is the very popular course we are launching. So do rush and don't miss this opportunity. Contact immediately so that you can join the course from very first day, and definitely you will be benefited by job. Special discount also we are offering with this 10th batch. So please contact on our this given number and take the opportunity. Don't miss this opportunity and make a bright career through these specialized courses. Thank you.